Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are on level 7 of lesson 12, the draw loop. And as you can see by the purple circle, this is an assessment level, which means I can read the directions. I can look at the rubric with you, maybe give you a tip or two, but this is on you, my darlings. So let's look at this. It says updating properties. This level is very similar to the last, but this time you'll add in the draw loop yourself. So you've got to figure out what needs to go down here in order to make this work. If I press run right now, you see a blue screen and a salt shaker. We want to make the salt shaker shake. Okay. So do this. Add the draw loop block to the bottom of this program. Move any blocks that need to be inside the draw loop. Move on when your program looks like the picture to the right. So you want this right here to look like this. Okay. Rubric. So what gets you the grade? So no evidence. The sprite does not animate. That gets you your lowest grade. Limited evidence. The sprite animates, but there are major problems such as leaving a trail of previous locations behind or other parts of the scene disappearing. Convincing evidence. The sprite animates, but there may be small problems with the scene, such as creating sprites inside the draw loop or having extra calls to draw sprites or other extra code. All right, but what's going to get you the A? So let's focus on that. It says extensive evidence. The sprite animates as described in the instructions. Other setups, such as creating the sprite, happen outside of the draw loop, and there are no extra blocks. Well, that actually is a huge hint right there. So that's what you're trying to do. That's your rubric. That's what gets you the A plus. So I will let you get on with it and wish you good luck. I'll see you on the challenge levels. All right, here we go.